Hey everyone, today I'd like to show you how to create a real-time inventory control tool using VBA. So I got datasets here comprised of headers, item, current stock, reorder level, supplier, and status. So I got all the information in these four columns, but the thing is I'm gonna put a reorder for the current stock, which is below reorder point, and then I'm gonna color it red in the conditional formatting. And the second thing is I'm gonna say okay if the current stock is above reorder point. I'm gonna color green in the conditional formatting. So in order for me to be able to do this, I'm gonna access the VBA editor so that I could write the VBA codes in the VBA editor. So all I have to do is press Alt plus F11, and then I'm gonna click insert and get a module here, get module 1. And for the macro, I'm gonna write sub. Then I'm gonna name my macro update inventory status. So update inventory status, then enter. For the variable, I'm gonna dim I because I'm gonna be looping it. I'm gonna loop it. So I, as long I only have one variable, which is the I. Then for my loop, for I is equal to number 2 to cells. Then I'm gonna say rows dot count, comma 1, then close, then dot, and inside the parentheses Excel up, and then that row, enter. Then I'm gonna write the if statement here. If sales, okay, if sales I loop, second column, which is the current stock, that value. Then I'm gonna find out whether the column number 2 is less than column number 3. Okay, so number 2 is the current stock, and number 3 is the reorder level. So okay, Alt F11. So I'm gonna find out this is the sales. So I loop, so the third column, okay, that value. So again, the column number 2 is for the current stock, and column number 3 is for the reorder level. Then enter. Okay, sales, then I loop, then column number 5, which is the status. Okay, that value equals reorder. I'm gonna say reorder. Okay, if the current stock is below reorder point, then I'm gonna say reorder, and then I'm gonna color it red later after I write the VBA code. So enter. Then I'm gonna say else, enter again, then else, sales, same column, I loop. Then number 5 for the status. Then I'm gonna close it. Then that value, okay, equals okay. This is if the current stock is above reorder point. Okay, I'm gonna put quotation mark. Okay, that's it. Then I'm gonna end this NF. Then for the loop, next I. That's it. So okay, I forgot the F. Then I'm going back to Excel. Now I could run it through the macro here in the developer tab, but what I want to do is I'd like to create a button. I'm gonna create a button here. Cancel this first. Oh, alright. So I'm gonna name this for the button. I'm gonna say update status. Then I'm gonna assign a macro for this button. Assign macro and update inventory status. Click OK. Alright. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click this. Okay. So there are items which is the stock is okay, and there are items that needs to be reordered. So in order for the concerned person to process the PO or the purchase order and get it from the supplier, and this is not very visible which one is okay, which one is not okay. So well, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the home. Then I'm gonna click the conditional formatting. I'm gonna manage the rules, the new rule. Then click format only cells that contain, and then specific text. I'm gonna start with reorder. Okay, I'm gonna say reorder. Then I'm gonna format this, and then so the first one is the fill red. So for red font, I think I'm gonna say white. Click OK. Okay, this is okay. Okay, then the next one is the OK. Format only cells that contain again, then specific text, then OK, then format. So this one is I'm gonna use the white, and then for the fill I'm gonna use green color. Click OK. Okay, I think that's visible enough. Alright, I got it. Then I'm gonna click OK. I think I'm gonna put a black color for the OK. It's not good to see. So I'm gonna go back to conditional formatting, manage rules. Then I'm gonna edit the green one, edit rule. So for the format, for the font, I'm gonna make it black to make it more visible. Click OK. Okay. So that's it. Okay, you got some items with OK level, and got items which is needs reordering and needs the concerned person working on this to process the PO or the purchase order. So let me see, check everything. I got some red hair needs reordering. Okay, the stock is below the reorder level. Okay, this is a long list. and you could have longer, even longer than this, in real world. I'm just showing you how to do it. Okay, that's about 200 rows. Okay, so alright, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.